Okay, I'm super excited for today's unboxing. Let's see what's inside this digital package. Alright, here it is, AppSumo's AI ad generator. The promise? Craft winning ads with AI analysis. As a marketer, I'm always searching for shortcuts. Let's dive in and see if this delivers. First impression, the interface looks clean and modern. Everything's laid out clearly, no confusion at all. Let's try generating an ad for my new product. I enter my product details and hit generate. Wow, the AI just created a full ad concept. It even suggests catchy headlines and visuals. I'm loving the scroll-stopping creative options here. Let's tweak the target audience and try again. Instantly new ad variations pop up, super fast. This is perfect for A/B testing different ideas. Now let's analyze the features more closely. First, it generates high-converting ads instantly. No more staring at a blank page for hours. Second, it unlocks innovative marketing strategies. The AI suggests angles I hadn't considered before. Third, it boosts engagement with custom creatives. The visuals are tailored to my brand style. I can easily swap images or tweak copy. The workflow is smooth, even for beginners. I appreciate how quickly I can launch campaigns. Let's talk about the AI analysis feature. It predicts which ads will perform best. That's a huge time and budget saver. I also like the real-time feedback on edits. You see suggestions as you make changes. Now, who is this best for? Marketers, small business owners, advertisers? This is for you. If you want to save time and boost results, this tool can seriously level up your ads. But if you prefer total manual control, you might find the automation limiting sometimes. For most, though, the speed outweighs any drawbacks. So would I recommend AppSumo's AI ad generator? Absolutely, especially for busy marketing teams. Ready to craft winning ads with AI? Check out the link and start your free trial today.